Welcome. Today we will be looking at Lifepoint's application for Drchrono, which enables providers and their staff a simple, efficient way to place orders with any laboratory, radiology, or other diagnostic testing facility. Once a Drchrono user is registered with the Lifepoint app, the user will select a patient record and scroll to the app directory section and select Lifepoint from the list of apps. If multiple labs are utilized at your practice, a list of labs will be available to choose from. The first step is to select one or several diagnosis codes for your patient. The app allows users to configure commonly selected codes that can be easily selected by clicking the box next to the ICD-10 code. A user can also search for a diagnosis code by entering a keyword in the search box. Scroll to find the code. Alternatively, a user can search by the exact or partial ICD-10 code. If a code is selected by error, click the red X to remove. Moving on to the Test tab, each user can likewise configure commonly ordered tests and can create different grouping sections such as profiles, microbiology, pathology, or radiology. You will notice an FC, LC, or NC next to each selection. For Medicare patients, this flag will display tests or panels that do not meet medical necessity based on diagnosis selected. To add tests, simply click on the box next to the test name. If a user chooses a panel with a component already selected, an alert will appear, as to not allow for duplicate testing. Users can also search for tests or panels in the search box to add to the order. To finalize the order, move on the Review tab. Ensure all diagnosis and test codes are added. If Medicare flags are present, a user has the option of adding additional diagnosis codes to satisfy medical necessity. User can also leave blank if codes are accurately selected. Based on your lab, Ask at Order entry questions may need to be answered. Ensure additional order information is accurate, such as ordering provider, bill type, and if patient is to be collected at a lab's patient service center or at the practice office. Users can also add copy tos as appropriate. Once the order has been submitted, optional sample labels and order requisition will be generated. An ABN will also be generated if applicable and given to the patient for signature. As soon as results are released by the diagnostic testing facility, a notification will display in Message Center. Select the beaker icon to access the report in the patient's record. You can also search for a patient and navigate to Lab Results section for the report. The Labs PDF or a Lifepoint-generated PDF will be displayed. Result values, reference ranges, and abnormal flags will be present as structured data. If historical values are present for the same analyte, a trending graph will also be available. Contact your Drchrono representative to request an interface today.